Christmas lovers and enthusiasts, you are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is November 21st, and that means there are 34 days left until Christmas. A fun fact about one of my favorite Christmas movies, A Christmas Story, is that the famous Red Ryder BB Gun scene almost didn't happen. The director, Bob Clark, initially wanted to use a different brand of BB gun, but they ended up going with the Red Ryder because the filmmakers were able to get the rights to the brand, making it iconic. The line, "You'll shoot your eye out," became so famous that it is now one of the most recognizable Christmas movie quotes. Remember, the next time you hear my voice on this podcast, we'll all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thank you for listening.